This is ComfyUI. This is also ComfyUI. But more importantly, this empty canvas right here, that's ComfyUI too. And that empty canvas is actually the most important thing I can show you right now. Because ComfyUI isn't about what you see in someone else's finished project, it's about what you can build, starting from a blank slate. So let's start from the very beginning. If I had to describe ComfyUI in one sentence, it would be this. ComfyUI is a platform where you build AI workflows visually using nodes. Now that sentence has a few terms in it that might be new to you, so let's unpack them one at a time. Let's start with the most basic building block, the node. A node is a small box that does one specific thing. That's it, one job. For example, one node might load an AI model into memory, another node might take your text prompt, a description of what you want to create, another might handle the actual generation process, and yet another might take the final result and save it as a file. So a node is essentially a function. A node does something. Now each node on its own isn't very useful. A node that loads a model doesn't generate anything. A node that saves a file has nothing to save if nothing was generated. They need each other. And that brings us to the next idea. Now, nodes become powerful when you connect them. You do this by drawing lines between them, dragging these little lines from one node to the next. And those lines tell ComfyUI, take the output of this node and feed it as an input in to that one. Data flows from left to right, step by step, and at the end, you get your result. Now, if you feel overwhelmed, don't worry. We'll build our first workflow together from scratch later in this course. Now, connecting these nodes together is what creates a workflow. A workflow is simply the complete set of nodes and connections you've laid out on your canvas. Think of it like a recipe. The nodes are your ingredients and your cooking steps. The connections are the order you do them in. And the output, well, that's your finished dish. Workflows can be simple, just a handful of nodes generating a single image from a text prompt, or they can get big. Sometimes really big. So big that they look almost impossible to read at first glance. But don't fret, I'm gonna help you out. But here's the thing, no matter how complex a workflow gets, it's always made up of the same simple pieces, the nodes, doing one job each, connected together in a logical flow. Now, if you can understand that, you can eventually read and build any workflow, no matter the size. So, what do these workflows actually produce? The short answer is almost anything. Images, videos, audio, text, 3D assets, you name it. ComfyUI can handle all of these and more, and you choose what you want to generate. You set up the right nodes, and you save the output in whatever file format you need. And the creative range here is enormous. You can generate a single illustration, upscale and enhance a photo, animate a character, produce voiceover, automate entire batches of content. The list keeps growing every day as new AI models are released. Now, here's something that makes ComfyUI especially powerful in practice. Let's say someone builds a workflow that produces amazing results and they want to share it with you. All they have to do is save it as a file. And all you have to do is drag and drop that file into your ComfyUI. That's it. Straight onto your canvas. Just drop it there. That entire workflow opens up on your canvas, every node, every connection, every setting ready to use. Now, you might need to install some of the custom nodes that they might have used that you don't have installed, but we'll also cover that later in this course. This means two things. First, you can start using powerful workflows immediately, even before you fully understand how to build them from scratch. And second, you can learn from other people's work. Open a workflow, look at how the nodes are connected, and reverse engineer the logic behind it. It's one of the best ways to learn, and I do it all the time. Workflows are most commonly saved as JSON files. It's a standard text-based file format used across the software world to store structured data in a way that's both human-readable and machine-readable. If you open a workflow's JSON file in a text editor, you'll see the contents laid out in plain text, every node, every connection, every setting, every parameter value, all written out in a structured format of labels and values. Do you need to do this? No. And you don't need to understand or edit the contents of the file, but it's useful to know that it's all there. Your entire workflow, its complete structure, and every setting you configured is captured in that single file. Not only that, when you're saving an image or a video, the workflow is stored within that as well. So the metadata of your workflow is saved in your output. So that is immensely powerful. You can take your output, send it to your colleague or friend, and they can load the workflow. Now, there's a bigger reason ComfyUI has grown so fast, and it's this. ComfyUI is open source. Let me explain what that means, because it affects you in two very practical ways. First, it's free. Completely free. No subscription, no premium tier, no cost per generation. You download it, run it on your own computer, and everything happens locally on your machine. Your data stays with you. Now, with that said, you can pay for services that host it for you if you need more powerful machines or if you need features to be installed for you. Second, anyone can build on top of it. Because the source code is public, developers from around the world have created what are called custom nodes. These are additional building blocks that go beyond what ComfyUI includes by default. There are thousands of them, and they cover incredibly specific use cases, from advanced face swapping to specialized video effects to niche design tools. And you can create your own. Whatever your field, there is very likely a custom node that does exactly what you need. We'll cover how to find and install them later. Now, are there other tools out there that do something similar? Well, yes. And some of them are solid tools. A few might even feel easier to pick up at first because they use a more traditional interface. You fill in some settings, you hit a button, and get a result. Sweet, right? So why am I teaching you ComfyUI? Well, personally, I think it's the best. But to be a little more pragmatic, you have endless possibilities. Now, ComfyUI gives you control over every single step in the process. You're not limited to what someone else decided the interface should look like. You build your own pipeline exactly the way you want it, or the way you need it for exactly your use case. And that's why professional studios use it all over the world.